Our service just finished. आतांच आमची सगळी सायबिणीची मांडावळीची मागणी काबार जाला. उपकार मागतलो आसलो सगळ्यात जाय. फाटल्यान आमची च्या आसा आनी केक आनी स्नॅक्स आसा. मातशें लायन करून दिवची. Just a small announcement. We have just finished the service. Behind we have tea, cake and some snacks to be served. Please, our volunteers are there to help you out. Thank you very much for everyone for coming here. Before we, please have a seat. There will be a housing. The housing price is 3 coupons for £5, and the winner will have a cash prize. So please try to buy one coupon of 3, and all the income which comes from the housing will be given to the St. Michael and Martin Church. So please help us. Thank you. A few announcements I have to make. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for giving your valuable time and come here for the prayers of Our Lady of Pilgrimage. It comes from a place, Benaulim in Goa. So it's a feast we celebrate every year, and coincidentally we are celebrating it here. First of all, I would like to thank Father Dr. Bolmax Pereira for bringing the statue all the way from Goa and blessing it here when he last visited last month. Thank you, Father, though you are not here, but you are very much within us. Secondly, I would like to thank the hall owner, Mr. Malcolm Silvera, for giving us this hall to organize this celebration today. Thank you, Malcolm. May Our Lady of Pilgrimage bless you and bless your family. Please give him a big hand of applause. Thank you. He deserves it. Today's housing prize has been donated by Lucky Star proprietor Mr. Nigel Botello. I would like to thank Nigel Botello for giving us the housing prize. May God bless you and Our Lady of Pilgrimage bless you with lots of blessing and success in your business. I would like to thank Alistair for the sound and the snacks he provided to us. You be always a big help, Alistair. Thank you very much, and Our Lady bless you as well. Can't forget, you see the beautiful decoration has been done on the table. It's none other than, as you all know, Mrs. Ella Fernandez for taking the responsibility of decorating the table, the altar, and giving her valuable time. Allow hand of applause to Ella, please. Some of our friends have generously donated to have this organized, to have this event organized here. Mr. Vinci and Andre donated £20. Joaquin Fernandez, £20. A well-wisher, £20. Don't want to specify his name. The cake has been donated by Dandelius Park. Very beautiful and tasty cake, so don't miss it. By Dandelius Boys. Thank you, Dandelius Boys. Ella has also sponsored us a surprise. I don't know what she's sponsored, maybe a golden chain or £1,000 or whatever it is. So she just kept it surprise. I give it surprise as well. Yeah. So that will be going to the church anyhow. We have a few special invitees. Madam Nupur and her husband came all the way from Hampton to see how we organize the Goa event. A big hand of applause to Madam Nupur, a well-known social worker. We have another guest a Catholic guest all the way from South India, but he doesn't understand Konkani, but he made time to come here. Mr. Alan Joseph, a local social worker and a counselor from Hamburg, for coming here to give him a big hand. Lastly, but not the least, Mr. Peter Thompson, assistant head teacher at Sacred Heart School, Camberley, and a great social worker and a counselor who made his time to came all the way from Canberra. Please give him a big hand of applause for his time. We have Sienna de Costa, one of our Portuguese counselor, made her time to come here. Give her a big hand of applause. We have our own, none other than Advocate Kenneth Pires, came all the way from Central London to wish and to pray, be with us. I thank Kenneth for your time. Please give him a big hand of applause. Thank you very much. If I forgot anybody's name, and a big hand of applause to each one of you for giving your time and coming here. Thank you very much. May our Lady of Liberament bless you all and have a good time and enjoy the snacks and the cake, which has been deliciously done, and I hope you enjoy it all. Don't forget the houses, please. Thank you. Ella want to say a few words.
Thank you, Salvador. I'd like to thank Salvador taking all this trouble to arrange a christening of Mother Mary in Liberament Savingway as Benoni Day celebrated feast today. So may God bless Salvador and Aniston, who was always the highest guy and big boss. And thank you very much. Thank you, Salvador, and your family too. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Ella. I think I don't deserve this. I think what I'm doing is not need to be appreciated. It is my moral responsibility as a Catholic and be a part of the community to do something for the community. That is the only thing I can leave behind, my legacy. And so people, especially the young kids, will remember what we are doing down the line. Thank you very much once again. And I want other people to make sure the young kids understand what we are doing so they can know down the line, which is very, very important. Thank you very much.